Now, the price of diesel for bulk users, such as for bus services and industries, has been hiked by 25 rupees per litre, thus increasing the operational costs by 27% for such users. However, the price at pump stations remains unchanged. The price hike is in line with near 40% rise in international oil prices. But what it means for you and me, or how it could impact our lives in some way, because this is, of course, going to affect bus services, public transport fare to some extent, and industries. To explain all of that, I'm joined by my colleague Somit Sarkar from the Mumbai newsroom. Somit, please tell us what exactly could be the impact on this on the common man.
Well, if you see what is happening currently is that the prices of retail fuel, that is petrol and diesel on fuel pumps, are remaining unchanged despite the fact that Brent crude continues to remain at elevated levels. Now, because of this, the oil marketing companies are suffering huge losses on the marketing business, because the gross marketing margin that they earn on diesel and petrol, they have turned negative at around 12.5 rupees on diesel and nearly 10 rupees negative on petrol. Now, gross marketing margin is what an oil marketing company earns by selling every litre of petrol and diesel. Now, this margins continue to remain negative for the last 4 weeks. Now, because of this and to avoid this losses, what oil marketing companies have done is they have hiked the prices of diesel, bulk diesel users for around 25 rupees. Now, these users are usually the state bus fleets, malls and airport operators who use diesel for the backup generators. And what now these state bus operators and airports and mall companies are doing are that they are refueling their fuel requirements from fuel pumps, because the prices there continue to remain low. Because of this, what is happening for the oil marketing companies is that the sales are going up and they are suffering much more losses than what they were expecting earlier. Even if you remember, Reliance recently on the weekend said that they will reduce the supply of diesel by nearly 50% to reduce the losses. Now, in the oil marketing segment, if you see, the 90% of the market is controlled by state-owned companies, that is Indian Oil Corporation, BPCL and HPCL, while the remaining 10% is majorly controlled by Naira, GOBP joint venture and Shell.
Right, Somit, thank you so much for giving us that comprehensive understanding of what it means for the economy and also what it means in terms of any impact on the Aam Aadmi. Thank you so much for joining us with that.